Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet point lines in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know how to quickly create clean bullet lists, organize information with nested sub-bullets, and keep your notes structured so they're easier to read and manage over time. First, open Obsidian and head into the vault where you want to work. If you're just launching the app, you'll see the File Explorer on the left and your current note or a blank editor in the center. Before adding content, it can help to create a dedicated folder for the notes you're working on. This step is optional, but keeping related notes together makes navigation much easier as your vault grows. To create a folder, click the New Folder button in the File Explorer and give it a descriptive name. Once that's done, create a new note inside that folder. A blank note will open in the editor, ready for you to start writing. Begin by typing some content. You might add a title, a project outline, meeting notes, or a simple list of ideas. Don't worry about formatting right away. Focus on getting your thoughts onto the page first. When you're ready to create a bullet point, place your cursor on the line you want to convert. In many Obsidian setups, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L on Windows or Command+L on Mac to toggle a bullet point. If your shortcut behaves differently, check the Hotkeys section in Settings because commands can be customized. You can also create bullet points manually using Markdown. Simply type a dash followed by a space at the beginning of a line, then start typing your text. As you continue pressing Enter after each bullet, Obsidian will automatically create the next bullet point for you, helping you build lists quickly. Bullet lists are useful for task management, brainstorming sessions, meeting summaries, study notes, and project planning. They make information easier to scan because each idea is separated into its own line instead of being buried in long paragraphs. To create a nested bullet or sub-bullet, place your cursor on a bullet line and press Tab. This indents the bullet beneath the item above it, creating a hierarchy. Sub-bullets are perfect for adding details, examples, or smaller tasks related to a main point. If you need to move a bullet back one level, use Shift-Tab. You can continue adding multiple levels of indentation when necessary, but try not to overdo it. Keeping your structure simple usually makes notes easier to review later. A clear hierarchy helps you understand relationships between ideas at a glance. Another helpful tip is combining bullets with checklists. For actionable items, type a dash, a space, and empty square brackets. This creates a task that can be checked off as you complete it. Many Obsidian users combine bullet lists and task lists to manage projects directly inside their notes. As your notes become longer, bullet points can also work alongside headings. Creating sections with headings and then organizing information into bullets underneath makes large notes much more readable and easier to navigate. That's the complete process. Open Obsidian, create a folder if needed, make a new note, add your content, create bullets with a shortcut or markdown syntax, and use Tab to create sub-bullets. With a little practice, you'll be able to organize information quickly and build clean, professional-looking notes in Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking!